Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. So today this video not meant to hurt anybody's feelings or do BS review. It's not review actually, it just want to show you as used to be, as popularity on this bicycle was very high last few years for the few reasons, because it's very affordable, it's available at Costco, and also it was one of the best priced e-bike at the time. As of market change in the last 6 months, also it's no longer sold in Costco in most part of USA. They replace them with a Haze. Still be able to buy online at Costco or directly from Jetson. But when you're buying at Jetson, you're either buying a refurbished one, which is, I don't recommend it, or you buy brand new, which will be very expensive. And also you can buy on Amazon. I'll post link in description. But this bicycle ONEBOT S1 much better, and I want to show you why and why you shouldn't buy Jetson Bolt Pro, but you need to consider ONEBOT. Okay, again, they're very similar bicycles. The battery is about the same size. The motor says with the Jetson Bolt Pro it's bigger, it's 350 watt, but with ONEBOT it's 250, but you get more torque with ONEBOT, and also it's 2 miles faster than Jetson Bolt Pro right out of the box. So when the time comes to people complain about, I'll talk to you about what I see and people have problem with Jetson Bolt Pro. The brakes, it's number one, they squeak, and sometimes they are not working well. When you're buying ONEBOT, they comes better brakes right away out of the box, so you don't have to buy different brand of the brakes. Not only the stopping power is good, but also they don't squeak. For example, I rode this bicycle in the rain a few months ago, and it's still not squeaking and it's not rusted. Versus to the Jetson Bolt Pro, it will squeak out of your box and it may rust. For a few reasons. First, Jetson Bolt Pro made out of a steel frame, so I have one, it's already rusted inside. ONEBOT made out of aluminum, so it will never rust. Okay, so if you're riding in rain, snow, you have to be very careful and wipe out all the moisture right once you came home with Jetson Bolt Pro. It's still good to do the same thing with the ONEBOT, but you have very low risk to get any problem, corrosion problem with ONEBOT versus to Jetson Bolt Pro. This is one of the number one reasons to consider as well. I'm gonna go close up and show you the difference so you can see better. Bolt Pro, I do like to ride them. They're still fun to ride them if you have one, but they are no longer as good quality as new bikes arrived. Some of them are pretty good and last for a long time. Some of them have defects. So Jetson company, they don't have a really good customer service, as everybody knows already most likely. So to get this bike fixed, you have to go to private party or fix by yourself. So first you can take a look on your headlight. As you can see, it's attached to the frame, which are looking good, but at the same time it will not give you much light at night, because once you make turn right or left, light will be still straight. With S1 model, it moves with a fork to get better light, and it's also brighter. Second, you got a bigger crank. The front crank, as you can see over here, it's bigger. I didn't count how many keys on them, but you can see it's much bigger. For this reason, when you try to pedal, you can pedal much faster. So I believe it was 20 and above speed with pedaling on the S1. And again, I did many videos on compare them as a speed wise and all the tech and spec, so you can check link in description for that information. Okay, so the front crank is smaller on the Jetson Bolt Pro. Then you got regular plastic pedals when you buy Bolt Pro. With ONEBOT, it's foldable, which is more compact. With one bot you get longer seat post. Jetson Bolt Pro comes with a shorter seat post. Still okay to ride if you are under 5'11", but if you're taller you may want to buy longer seat post. Also it comes with a more sporty seat which is a little bit softer, but again it's easy to replace with different seats. Both of them are okay up to 5 miles. If you ride longer you might want to get more comfortable seat. Both bikes come with fenders, as you can see. Reflecting light on the tires, as you can see, they are attached differently. With one bot they are attached to the rim over here, so it will not fall off as easy. With Jetson Bolt Pro many people lose them or get them broken because they are between very poor quality and they break very easily. So when the times come to quality, Jetson Bolt Pro are not bad, and I want to make clear they are not made by Jetson, they're made by DYU company. They make them. ONEBOT company also make Jetson e-bikes. For example, they make J5 or J8. You may check them out. They just sold more expensive because the Jetson put the markup for that. Okay, so the price wise right now about the same. Jetson Bolt Pro at Casca online was like $375. I'm not talking about refurbished because refurbished is refurbished. They are maybe very old or may still have some defects. So, and they only have 3 months warranty. With Jetson Bolt Pro new ones come with 1 year. With ONEBOT also 1 year. Also, if you need to buy battery, you can order from ONEBOT always. They have the parts you can buy. With Jetson Bolt Pro it's questionable. Okay. Also, if you look on the steam, with ONEBOT it's adjustable steam. It can go up and down for shorter people or for taller people, depending on your preference. With Jetson Bolt Pro it's just fixed. You can fold it the same way, but with let's say with ONEBOT, I'll show you the difference. It's automatically locking in aluminum. With Jetson Bolt Pro it's a plastic over here. You have to lock it in every time before you start to ride. So they have different also it's, I believe it's a metal steel. With ONEBOT it's aluminum. Handlebar ONEBOT few inches wider. Also many people love to have display. ONEBOT comes with display, another extra. So price $375. So why would you want to pay more for less features? Okay, so this one comes with options to see how much percentage you got in your battery, also the bars. Also you got the speed, how many miles you rode, how many miles total you rode on this bicycle. Okay, and you have a light turn on by pressing plus sign, and you got half throttle. Also you got horn. With the Jetson Bolt Pro you can get this ring, and to see how many miles to ride, you cannot really see it. You can turn it on by pressing button. You will see how many bars you have, and that's all. To turn light on you press this button. And the difference also, Jetson Bolt Pro have cruise control while ONEBOT does not have. The benefit, ONEBOT has 3 modes pedal assist, so 3 speed. With Jetson Bolt Pro only 1 speed. If you want to have more comfortable ride, ONEBOT is much better because you can adjust your handlebar and your seat post can go all the way up, and if you're 6 feet tall or even above, it's still comfortable to ride this bicycle because the seat can go all the way up. I'm 5'11" and I have about 2 or 3 inches more to go up. Also, if you're tight to lift your Jetson Bolt Pro because it's heavy, it's 45 pounds, 43 pounds. Sometimes they put different numbers. I think last time I weighed it was like 43 or 45 pounds. With ONEBOT I weighted it was 37. So you get at least 5 to 7 pounds less. Okay, and it's actually very feelable when you start to pick it up. Both of them come with the option to carry the handle as ONEBOT and Jetson Bolt Pro, but it's much easier to put in a trunk the ONEBOT because it's much lighter. And they do look very similar other than different a little bit shape. If you put them together, they look like brother and sister. And again, it's your choice. And I just messenger to give you information. And ONEBOT actually making many bikes which are under different names. So you might think it's a new company, but actually they are not a new company. They make many e-bikes on the market, and I will not announce all of them, but Jetson sell some of them actually under the stickers. Jetson have many e-bikes actually, which are more budget bikes considered because of quality wise. And ONEBOT, they try to make higher quality. That's why if the Jetson sells them, they are more expensive. So I believe J5 was about $500 or $600, okay? But J5 does not have all the features. And if you decide to get J5, they will be different again. They don't come with a light, they don't come with a display, I believe. And I'm not sure how fast they're going. They might go as fast as Jetson Bolt Pro. So there might be some restriction as well. This one is going ONEBOT S1, going about 1.5-2 miles faster than Jetson Bolt Pro. Also, you have options to attach rack over here, while Jetson Bolt Pro, most of the racks you can attach would be attaching to frame and the seat post. So they do sell the racks. I believe it's like $35. You can buy them. I'll post a link in description as well. But you guys decide which one you want. But this is my message. So you need to keep your mind open when you shop for your e-bike to see what your need is and pick the right one. I do have different discounts from ONEBOT, so you can check link in description or in comments. I periodically update it. Currently, I think it's about $300 plus 5% off. Sometimes it might be cheaper, sometimes it might go more, because original price they were selling for $500 as well. And thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.